Oh look, we've scared a bunny. So adventurers, and welcome to the club. Today we are back to give the man tool his second chance. So now let's try to sharpen this manly man tool. So now I did the fine sharpening and we are good to go to test it. I did sharpen the blade and I did sharpen those little prongs here. Let's see how it works. It has been sharpened by me, so it's sharp now. That means we can try to take this frozen piece of wood, make some feather sticks. And obviously it's not that easy because it's frozen, but I can tell immediately that we now actually remove more than a bark of a rotten stick. You see, it's still not a good blade, but we're able to make curls. But still it's far from good. The blade is but now, as you can tell, I hope you can, we are able to do some feathers here. Oh, is the stick cold? Yeah. We have got curls here. Take them off and make them as tinder. Nice. I can really process wood with this thing now. I still have to put a good amount of force into it, but as you can tell, we do have a knife now. Nice. So now let's make a little stove with this. Okay, I hope I'm in frame. Let's try using this to make a little stove. Take the paper off first. Keep the paper for tinder. And now we use the can opener part and see if we can make some holes with it. Which it seems like we can't. Shame. Nope, no chance. Yeah, means we have to do it the old-fashioned way. Use the knife. Okay, now last task I forgot to do before cutting the tin can, it's still sharp, is batoning. We failed last time because the knife was dull. Working perfectly. So let's try not to cut myself. Yeah, that's what we want to see. Now this little piece of metal has really turned into a knife. But still, this is a kind of knife that flips on you. You gotta be careful with it. Next step in making this little hobo stove here is put it into the sun to go into the middle. Cut down like this. Just like this. Take those edges here. Back them out. This one as well. I'm curious to see later how sharp the knife is after this little torture test. See, we got now a few little feet made here. Let's cut them quickly out. Look how sharp this beautiful knife is. It effortlessly cuts through a tin can. See, we got now little feet on here and the hole to put wood in. So if you want to cover this hole on the bottom, you can just drop the can's lid into it. But now we're ready to set it up, put some wood in it and light it on fire. Wood. We got our old stick here. This is just too moldy. Just take this one that's dry and hard. Yeah, that's what you like to see. Yeah, you see, with a bit of sharpening we turned a completely useless piece of gear into something that actually works. Oh yeah, and that's after I did cut the tin can. Let's see how sharp it still is. seems like this is overall made out of decent steel. It just did not sharpen it correctly. There you go. It is a bit loose now, but it's still sharp. Oh yeah, in need of fixing. Never put your firewood on the ground. Now it's burning. Yeah. Okay, man tool. Hey, wait. It got warranty. Okay, back home with the man tool. Well, my own man tool works better than this Chinese made one. And yeah. The internal spring broke while turning it. It just fell out. I don't know if they just wedged it in or spot welded it. I can't see any spot weld marks. But yeah, it's now flapping in the wind. This one as well. Yeah, but turning it the brutal way, like on here, was just too much for the little blade. Yeah, it's broken. But it did a job after fixing it. Bottle opener is still fine, and you could even use this one here. So yeah, is it worth buying? Yeah, you can get better stuff. Yeah, the man tool.